Hail doesn't tap your roof, it attacks your roof. So we brought in a 15th century knight. Don't ask how. To show what real impact looks like. This is TAMKO HailGuard, tested beyond Class 4 impact rating. So now, let's put it in the path of a human hailstorm. When the next storm hits, your roof is your home's first line of defense. HailGuard shingles are built for homeowners that want stronger protection. Ask Van Martin Roofing if TAMKO HailGuard is right for your home.
No radiomes were harmed in the making of this commercial. Several glassware items were. The knight is a paid professional. Do not attempt to recreate this on your roof, in your yard, or at your neighbor's house. TAMKO HailGuard is rated Class 4 by UL standards, not by a 15th century combat veteran, though we think that should count.